Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. The pictogram shows information about a number of ice creams Sandeep sold on each of the 4 days last week. How many ice creams did Sandeep sell on Thursday? We can see that the key represents 4 squares as 20 ice creams. So we can simplify this. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So that means that one little square is equal to 5 ice creams. Now, on Thursday, we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 times 5 is 25 ice creams sold on Thursday. Sandeep sold 30 ice creams on Friday. Complete the pictogram to show the number of ice creams Sandeep sold on Friday. So we have 30 divided by the key, which is 20, which gives us 1.5. So we simply draw 1.5. On which day did the least number of ice creams sell? So we can see that it is Monday. Monday. Work out the total number of ice creams Sandeep sold last week. So since we found out that one little square is equal to 5, we simply count how many little squares there are. First off, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, and 34. So we have 34 times 5. And we can simplify this to, we have 34 times 5 gives us 170. 170 ice creams sold. Thanks for watching. Cram, Vince Cram.